What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to be installing the DC Sports Strut bar. So first things first, I don't have the best tools available for this, but I'm going to try my best with the resources that I have. All right, yeah, there's no shot I'm getting that off with what I got, so we're gonna try again when I have the proper tools. So I ended up just going over to my brother's house to save myself the headaches, and this is how the install went. First thing you guys are gonna wanna do is start off by removing the stock strut bar. Keep in mind you are going to be reusing the stock hardware, so just be conscious of that. Once you've got your DC Sports strut bar unboxed, go ahead and lay it down and get a nice test fitment. For some reason, I had a little bit of trouble laying it down. You kind of deal with that anytime you're putting aftermarket parts on your vehicle. Nothing a good impact gun can't fix. Right here, you'll see where I installed the new bracket that holds the AC line. Overall, I would say this was a fairly easy install, but if you guys do end up having questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more videos.